Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Simone Nicole. Oh wow. It is your girl Simone Nicole back at it again with another video, and today's video is going to be pretty impromptu. It is just going to be a quick little tutorial on how I get my hair from looking like this to this. And I just wanted to show you all today because I feel like I figured out a method that really works for my hair, so that I am getting my hair at maximum capacity for my wash and go. So I just wanted to share the knowledge because that's what I love to do with you guys. Now, before we jump into today's video, we have got to do our subscriber shout out of the day. And today's subscriber shout out is going to go to Miss Antoinette Johnston. She commented on my knotless braids tutorial and she said, "Love this, always be yourself," which is just a great message for every single day and for every single person. Please remember to always remain true to who you are, because you are the only you on the entire face of the planet, so you don't have time to be anybody else. Thank you again to Miss Antoinette for leaving such a positive message and for being subscribed to my channel. And if you would like to be my subscriber shout out on my next video, then please make sure that you are 1, subscribed, and 2, that you are commenting on my videos and remaining super duper active. If you are active, trust and believe. What is this? Trust and believe I will see you. And with all of that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay, so I moved the camera angle up slightly so that you guys could see. This is my hair. This is technically day 2 of, what are these fingers? When I went to sleep last night, I put this thing on. It was a scrunchie, but it kind of lost its elasticity. So I just like use it for my high bun sleeping arrangements because it's really not good for anything else. Oh, that's not nice. You're good for something, which is what I use you for. Anyways, my hair, as you can see, does not look good when it first comes down. I'm not one of those girls that can just like shake my hair and then just go the next day. Otherwise, I would look crazy like this. So yesterday I let it air dry and I did not touch it, and that's a really big tip for all you curly girls. When you get done putting all of the products in your hair, you want to make sure that you do not touch your hair, because touching your hair will cause frizz. And if you touch your hair in any way, you need to either be using a paper towel to like blot out moisture or a microfiber towel, one of the two. So that is the only thing that I did. I was out all day long yesterday, and once my hair was completely dry that night, I just threw it up, and actually my roots were even still wet, but that's okay. So I just threw it up like you just saw it, and now I'm taking it down for the first time. So my process is actually very simple. However, I do use a bit of heat on my hair to do this. I have tried like the banding method where you take sections and then you band them down. I didn't care for it too much. I much prefer this method. So basically what I'm gonna do is take random sections, and I'm not gonna force a part into any of these sections. I'm just gonna lift them up and take small enough sections to handle, such as this one. And it's a very rough part. I'm just gonna take a scrunchie, force my hair up in there. And as you can see, my curls are like super defined. So I'm gonna show you how I get the volume. So if you use oils, then you could at this moment, you know, spread some oil on your hands so that you can decrease your frizz. However, my hands are moisturized, so that's like kind of enough for me. And what I'm going to do is that I am going to take sections of hair like this, and I'm going to hold it taut, and then I'm going to take the blow dryer on like a warm high setting, and then just run it up and down the lengths of the hair until I feel that it is stretched far enough for my liking. So I'll show you really quick how I do that on this first section. This is the one that's broken. Okay, we're back. We have switched dryers to this Conair dryer that I've literally had for forever. So, okay, we're back in action. And that is it to how I do it. So you see how much length we just gained from that. And I do leave the ends of my hair alone because I don't know, I just feel like they can just be left alone. And I do get a little bit more frizz with this method, but I mean, I'm okay with it because I would rather have big hair than super duper defined hair. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking at the moment. As you can see, there is a literal night and day difference to how my hair looked before all this started to now. I haven't done a wash and go in so long, guys, I'm gonna be honest, and I feel like it is time for me to get another diva cut, like hardcore time for me to get another diva cut, because my hair is genuinely all one length and I don't super care for that because I prefer volume more than anything, honestly, and I'm just not getting the volume that I like. My hair's too long, and I'm really proud and happy and blessed to say that because I have been on this journey for so long, but now I just feel like my hair lacks so much shape. So that brings us to the end of today's quick little tutorial. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you did, please remember to give her a good old thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more content similar to this. If you have any content suggestions, please drop them down below because your girl is freaking struggling with filming ideas because I have the time to film, and I never thought that there would come a time where I'm running out of concepts to film, but I low-key am. So make sure that you are dropping them down below, and then I will add them to my list of things to do. Do y'all like my hair? I don't know, man. Again, thank you all so much for watching. Remember to keep positivity in your life because positivity breeds positivity, and we have absolutely no time for negativity in 2020. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside, stay blessed, and I will see you all in the next video, which so happens to be right on the other side of me. No problem. On one of these sides of me, and then the other side is to subscribe. So do both. Thank you so much. I need your support. I need your subscribes. Thanks.